Welcome to Quiz Mastermind. Get ready to test your knowledge with some fun animal questions. Guess the animal sound or identity the animal. Let's get started. Which animal makes this sound? Sheep.
Which animal makes this sound?
Crocodile.
Which animal makes this sound?
Donkey.
Which animal makes this sound?
Dolphin.
Which animal makes this sound?
Kangaroo.
Which animal makes this sound?
Gorilla.
Which animal makes this sound?
Eagle.
Which animal makes this sound?
Rabbit.
Which animal makes this sound?
Deer.
Which animal makes this sound?
Penguin. Thanks for playing. Comment your score and subscribe for more quizzes.